good morning, good morning. Shit, I feel way better today. I feel really good. So I think I'm gonna get a lot of stuff done today. But first, I'm going to my school. You know, because on Tuesday I didn't went. I had an appointment on Tuesday. I didn't went, so I was really sick. So I'm gonna remake that appointment. So keep you guys uploaded. So I guess I got another appointment on Tuesday, the 17th, till Tuesday. Alright, so I just got the socket for this shit. So I'm torquing it down right now. I'm going 30 on the first round, and then I'm gonna go 60 and then 80. Yep, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No. Wait, I'm checking on the phone because I'm not sure how this shit goes. So just to make sure. So it's 1, 2, 3, and then 4. 4 is this one. So that's 4, and then 5 is this one, 5, and then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep. Alright, so I'm gonna go, instead of going 3 steps, I'm gonna go 4. So this is the third step. It's a 80 foot-pounds torque. 80, no, yeah, it's a 80. So I'm gonna go 80, and then from 80 I'm gonna go 86. So there's gonna be 4 steps. Alright, so the head is all the way torqued down to 86 foot-pound torque. And I'm gonna put the raw bolts today too, because I got them yesterday on the mail. So I'm gonna put them on today too. Fucking today, hopefully we'll get this shit done a little bit quicker. Alright, so I got the head all torqued down. So I'm putting the bolts now. Alright, so I got the head all torqued down. This one's, you're supposed to torque them down 20 pounds. So I'm just gonna do the raw bolts right now. So the head basically is done. Just to put the turbo on and lines. What else?
Your valve cover.
Valve cover.
Dizzy.
Yup. It's getting there. Alright, so I got one of the ARP rod bolts on already. So I'm gonna do the rest of them. So this one, you're supposed to torque them down. You can go up to 50 pounds. So I'm gonna go 50, you know, since I'm gonna go boosted. So I'm just gonna change all of them now. So yeah, this is one of them. This is one of the new ones. So yeah. Alright, so I just got all the ARP rod bolts installed. So I'm just gonna put back everything together. There's the metal plate right here. So this goes like that. So, yep. Alright, so I got everything back together how it was. So now I just need to take the oil pan to get tapped for the turbo, and then hopefully get that shit done today, put it in, and then I have to go to the DMV and get some shit done for this shit. It's chillin'. Okay, way. Showing up on the new whip. I better tell me, record your shit. Record it.
No, it's a DA.
Alright, so I'm about to put the wastegate or tail fucking wastegate or whatever. I don't know what the fuck is that called. I'm paisa as fuck. But I got the headers mounted. I just need the turbo right there. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that. I'm still working on my shit. It's already dark as fuck. Friday night. Alright, so I got the wastegate mounted. So now I was gonna put the turbo on right there. Put it over here. Alright, so everything is probably most of the things already back together. Plug, throttle body. I just need the Dizzy distributor, the radiator, the belt cover, the piping, the whole piping, and that's it. Pretty much it. I'm gonna get the radiator right now on right now. Alright, so I'm gonna stop right here for today. This is it for today. I got most of the things done. I got the timing belt on. The timing's on too. It's on point. The injectors, harness. I mean, I just need the spark plugs and the spark plugs wires. Dizzy. I think that I have that in my house. So fuck, it's fucking cold as fuck. It's fucking cold as fuck. Smoking. Well, yeah, everything's pretty much done. Yeah. Oh, and I still need to get the oil pan tapped. I've been saying that since the fucking couple days already. But I'm gonna do that tomorrow for sure because I want my car running already. Well, yeah, this is it for today, and hope you guys like, subscribe, and share. Peace.